Okay, just had to check my camera battery there. It's doing well. I was talking about Cooler Than Ninjas, which I gotta say, as you can see from the title of this video, was a misfire. And I think I'm saying that because it was made more for my amusement than it was for you. What I'm trying to say with this video, and why there's 3 different versions of it, is that ninjas kind of suck. Like, I think ninjas are overrated. That's hence the title, Cooler Than Ninjas, which is like an irreverent way of saying this concept that everyone loves so much, I don't really like it that much. I'm over it. And that the whole thing about me dressing up with the sunglasses and I had this wig on, I had these robes, and I was sort of playing a character that, cooler than a ninja, that was me. Why I'm dressed up funny in that video, why I'm saying I'm a messiah, I'm a god, I said all that. It was really weird. It's kind of hard to follow. I'll explain later. I was doing all that to suggest I'm cooler than all of this. And, like, I'm just done. That's what I was trying to say with this video. The thing about this video is that at the time, I saw Cooler Than Jesus by My Life with the Thrill Kill Cult. This video changed my life. This band, the artist, the band changed my life. And it was a new style of music that I really liked, but I'd never seen a video like this. I was absolutely mesmerized by this video. And I wanted to do something like it. And I thought, I'm going to do my own version of this video. I'm going to have the images that I want to put in the video. So I started researching, just went on Google, got images, put that in the video. The last video I did for this channel was that one, and it was kind of like a bait and switch. It's like, I got messages from viewers who said they watched it and said that I was expecting something way different, like your last Sasuke video to be this big kind of memories video or tribute, but this was still cool. This was cool too. The messages saying that people still liked it, they thought it was cool, but yeah, it was definitely something that they weren't expecting, and that was the point. Cooler Than Ninjas was just meant to be an abstract piece of art where you could interpret it multiple ways, and it was a parody of Cooler Than Jesus by the Thrill Kill Cult. It was just like that. It was edited similar, same type of music, similar themes, but I did a Ninja Warrior version of that instead. And I opted to do that because I wanted to do something different than what I usually do. And the reason it was so different and something you weren't expecting, and kind of a stab at the Ninja Warrior community, was to suggest that I was done and I was ready to move on. There's definitely a few fans that I pissed off with that being my last video. What a video to go out on, though. I didn't want to do something boring. I wanted to do something crazy, because this was the last time to do it. I am sorry for Cooler Than Ninjas. This is an apology for that video. The reason why this happened the way it went, the way it did, is because it was made for my amusement more than your amusement. So it was a selfish, kind of unapologetic music video. Thank you for anyone that's subscribed, and sorry for anyone that's subscribed hoping to see more videos like the ones you enjoyed. I think I get subs to this day because of 2 videos. The first one is